If Google Drive is refusing to upload your file, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is one of those problems that can happen for a bunch of different reasons, but the good news is that most upload issues are usually caused by something simple like file size, a weak connection, browser cache, or even a browser extension getting in the way. So if your file is stuck, failing, or just not moving at all, stay with me and we'll fix it together. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. First, let's start with the file itself. Check whether the file is within your Google Drive storage limit. If your drive is full, the upload simply will not go through, even if everything else looks fine. Next, check the file format. Google Drive supports most common file types, but if you are working with something unusual or corrupted, that can cause issues too. Also, take a look at the file name. If it contains strange symbols, special characters, or extra punctuation, try renaming it to something simple and clean before uploading again. Sometimes that small change is enough to solve the problem immediately. After checking the file, move on to your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the upload before it finishes. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable, and if possible, try switching networks. For example, if you are on Wi-Fi, try a mobile hotspot, or if you are on mobile data, switch to a stronger connection. Once your connection is stable, try the upload again. If it still does not work, refresh the page and retry. On a computer, you can press Ctrl and R to refresh the browser, then attempt the upload one more time. This helps clear temporary loading issues and often fixes uploads that appear frozen. If that doesn't do it, the next step is to clear your browser cache. In Google Chrome, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select cookies and cached files, then clear them and restart the browser. Old browser data can sometimes conflict with Google Drive and prevent uploads from completing properly. After that, check your browser extensions. Ad blockers, VPN extensions, and other privacy tools can interfere with Drive uploads without you realizing it. Try turning those off temporarily, then go back to Google Drive and test the upload again. If the file uploads after disabling an extension, then you found the cause. Another really useful test is to open an incognito window. On Windows or Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open Incognito Mode, then sign in to Google Drive and try uploading the file there. Incognito Mode is helpful because it runs without your normal extensions and cached data, which makes it much easier to identify whether the issue is coming from the browser environment. If the upload works in incognito but not in normal mode, that usually means one of your extensions or browser settings is blocking it. At this point, you've covered the most common reasons Google Drive files fail to upload. To recap, check the file size and name, confirm your format, make sure your internet is stable, refresh and retry, clear your cache, disable extensions, and test in incognito mode. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem fast. If this video helped you fix Google Drive file upload issues, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and comment below if you want me to cover more Google Drive tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.